Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Pixel 8 and removing the SIM tray so no circuits are active. Once done, heat the lower edge briefly to about 60 to 80 degrees C to soften the adhesive. This prevents panel cracking. Use a suction cup, then insert a 0.5 mm pick to create a gap. Work slowly around the lower bezel. Keep screws and parts organized in a tray. You do not need to remove the rear yet. Focus on a steady, even lift to avoid tearing the display cable. Next, remove the small T3 and T4 screws and lift the metal shields that cover flex connectors. You disconnect the battery before any display cables. This prevents short circuits while you work. Once the battery is isolated, detach the display and sensor flex connectors using a plastic spudger. Pry at the connector edge rather than the cable. Transfer small parts from old screen to new one, the earpiece, camera brackets, and adhesive strips so sensor alignment and fit remain correct. Make sure adhesives match placement for proper sealing. Reassembly starts by reconnecting the display flex before you reconnect the battery. Then power up briefly to test touch, LCD, cameras, speakers, and sensors. This saves rework if something is misaligned. Once verified, power off, clean adhesive channels, and apply new adhesive strips precisely where the originals sat. Press the display evenly from center to edges to bond. If the screen is unresponsive, check flex seating and battery connection. If flicker appears, reseat the display connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.